Yo, and them on the beat.
Come with the flavor that take away motivation, make away smoking and floating, holding and poking faces, ladies going gaga. I got skills like smoking aces, all in it, authentic, you know, and it's no replacement. Yeah, your bitch bad, but I just let the road to face her. She told me pull the shots, but also told me hold the chaser. Wiz got these kids only trying to smoke the papers, but them niggas is tools, man, and I don't know the tailors. OG is no Jamaica, so we gon' hope and take us to them places and forget all our trials and close the cases. Go away and float to space after we blow these atheists. I show the way cause we own the day and my bro is wasted. Let go of everything holding you back from happiness. Back to the people and actions that made you happiest. Add up the equals, subtracting all the crappy shit, cause that will only lead up to the everlasting happiness. Am I supposed to know if I'm hopeless or focused? Super Valley, tastilistic, extra hash, we blow shit. I knew we'd have to bag some trees, but now we have to grow it. Crucial with this valley scene, so yeah, we about to blow quick. 9 times out of 10, I'm floating with my niggas, and we can line up the fades like I was a fisher. No digit bigger, go figure, we off the Richter. And mine don't ever listen when they tripping off the liquor. If you wanna float with us, don't front. You can bring your papers, we don't only smoke blunts. If the party smoker friendly, then you know we showing up. We don't need an elevator, level 9 going up. Float in, 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 float in. Yeah, you feel that? That's what ecstasy sounds like. And I ain't even smacking. Floating.